Today I'm going to be reviewing coffee and love nuts. And I had no freaking clue what a love nut was. So I went onto the Salt and Straw website and decided to actually look up their flavor descriptions because they don't have them on their pints. Like there's no story, there's no real description of what it is. It just has the name of the flavor on the pint. And that's it. So if you didn't buy these online, you wouldn't know what you're getting into necessarily. Lucky for you, I did the research. The flavor story for this says, an ice cream is cozy and comforting as Sunday morning. We brew a smooth, caramely, medium roast coffee from Colombia, blend it with our cream, and stud it with immaculate love nuts. I can't. Love nuts, apparently, are pecans caramelized in Tahitian vanilla, sprinkled with sea salt, and then coated in 14 layers of chocolate. If it's in 12 layers of chocolate, is it still a love nut? I don't know. I have a confession to make. While I have not eaten any of this ice cream yet, this pint is not virgin. Mike was looking to have some ice cream the other night. There were no other flavors around that I had in the house that he would enjoy, and I told him to go ahead and just crack into this one. So we don't have like a nice smooth surface for you to look at, but we do have ice cream still, so who gives a shit? I do like that there's big hunks. The love nuts are present. I want to try just getting some of this coffee base to start because, coffee ice creams, I feel like are a dime a dozen. Like coffee ice cream is a common flavor. I want to see, what this base brings to the table. So we've just got just the coffee base right here. The caramel. I was thinking that it tasted like almost a little salty. It's the caramel, the caramely coffee that they selected for us. It's really yummy. You can taste the fact that it's a flavored coffee and not just like a medium roast or like whatever. It's nice. It's really delicate. Like it's not a super strong coffee taste. It's sort of like kind of pokes its head up in the last bit on the back of your tongue, but it's not like, you don't put it into your mouth and right away you're like, wow, like coffee. It's a little more delicate than that. All right, I want to try a love nut on its own. Oop, I'm dropping everything today. We're gonna try it. Okay. Ooh. Interesting. At like first crunch, has a similar texture as like those candied pecans that you get at like fairs or whatever, which I love. Ooh. I do get that salt, that sea salt in there. The chocolate's nice. I don't know how anybody could surmise like how many layers of chocolate are on these things, but sure. I do wish I could pick up on like the Tahitian vanilla, but are you really gonna? There's so much going on. I feel like it's probably an element that's adding to the flavor, but not something you're gonna like pick up on consciously and be like, that's Tahitian vanilla. But it's really yummy, delicious. We love the pecan. Pecan flavor comes through. The chocolate's really nice. The saltiness is there. I dig it. So let's do a bite with both. So I got some ice cream, got some love nuts. Let's go. It's good. I like it. It's not like mind-blowing. It's a good flavor. It's enjoyable. It'd be good on a cone. It'd be refreshing on a hot summer day. It's nice that it's coffee. I am so goddamn tired from daylight savings time. I guess I can't think of any other reason. I'm exhausted this week, so it's nice to get a little extra coffee in my system, so we don't hate that. It's not like the most mind-blowing thing to me though. Like I said, coffee flavor is pretty common. I like the twist they put on it by using like a caramel roast. That's really nice. The love nuts are good. Never had them before, but I do enjoy them. But it's fine. I don't know that I would order it again, but if it was already at someone's house, I would definitely eat it. And I'm gonna eat this. So, for a rating, I think I'm comfortable giving this one like a 6. 6 out of 10. Salt and straw, coffee and love nuts, 10 out of 10 name, 6 out of 10 flavor. That's a scoop.